So today I'm going to show you how to open up a Capital One shopping account. Now this is going to be for a web browser, but you can follow it along if you are also on your phone. So right over here, we're actually going to be on the desktop to go ahead and create our account. Now I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to take you right to the same page. As you go through this, you're going to land on this page right over here where we can go ahead and get started. Now we are using Chrome, but it's going to be fairly similar if you're on Safari or some other web browsers. You're going to see this button right over here to say add to whichever web browser you're using, and the fact that it is free to go ahead and use. So we're going to click on this button and I'll show you the next set of steps. All right, so that's going to take us right over here to the Chrome Web Store. You can see over here on the top left-hand side. And from here, all we got to do is click on this button here that says add to Chrome. Now, when we do that, this little window is going to pop up over here for us saying, are we sure we want to add this? We're going to click on add extension. And then from right over here, this is where we're going to go ahead and start plugging in some of our basic information. So we're going to start off with an email address we want to have attached. So we're going to plug that in right over here. And then there are going to be the terms and conditions. We want to make sure we check box this. And then once we do that, we're going to have our continue button highlighted right over here, which we're going to click on and go to the next step. And then from right over here, the next thing it's going to let you know is that they are sending you an email to go ahead and verify that email address you just added. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to our email. You should see that pop right over here, and there is going to be the Verify Now button. Let's go ahead and click on that. And that's going to open up a new tab right over here for your Capital One shopping, which means your new account has been officially created. You could check out your rewards. You could check out any brands or any offers that are here on screen. So you can go ahead and start making purchases and saving some money. Now, like I mentioned, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and get started with jumping right to that landing page and opening up your account right away with the Capital One shopping. We have more to show you. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.